If 3 siomai cost 15 pesos, how much if Kenneth buy 12 siomais? Solution. Given 15 pesos is equals to 3 siomai. 12 siomais is equals to Kenneth buy. Required. How much cost for 12 siomais? Equation. 15 over 3 multiplied by 12 is equals to 15 divided by 3 is equals to 5 multiplied by 12. The result is equals to 60. What number when increased by 74% of itself will equal to 80? Solution. Let x is equals to number. Equation. 100% x plus 74% x is equals to 80. Simplify. It will now become 174% x is equals to 80. To eliminate percent sign, divide 174% by 100%, then crashed out the percent sign. The result is equals to 1.74. The new equation is now 1.74x is equals to 80. Transposition. X is equals to 80 divided by 1.74. The result is x is equals to 45.977. Round it off, it will now become 46. What is the smallest positive number which, when you divide it by 3, 4 or 5, will leave a remainder of 2? Solution. I picked 62 from the given options. To begin to our computation. 62 subtracted by 2 is equals to 60. Let us divide it by 3, 4, and 5. 60 divided by 3 is equals to 20. 60 divided by 4 is equals to 15. 60 divided by 5 is equals to 12. Let us now do the checking. 20 multiplied by 3 is equals to 60. Added by 2 the result is equals to 62. 15 multiplied by 4 is equals to 60. Added by 2 the result is equals to 62. 12 multiplied by 5 is equals to 60. Added by 2 the result is equals to 62. 62 is the nearest possible answer. Which of the following numbers is represented by the prime factors 2 times 3 times 7? Solution. 2 multiplied by 3 is equals to 6. Multiplied by 7 is equals to 42. 42 is the prime factors of 2 times 3 times 7. Which of the following numbers is divisible by 6? Solution. Any numbers end with an even number can be divisible by 6 with a whole number result, but not all the times. Here in this example I picked 546 as an option. 54 divided by 6 is equals to 9. 9 multiplied by 6 is equals to 54. 54 subtracted by 54 is equals to 0. Bring down 6. 6 divided by 6 is equals to 1. 1 multiplied by 6 is equals to 6. 6 subtracted by 6 is equals to 0. 546 is divisible by 6 with a whole number result. In a room, there are 9 boys and 12 girls. The ratio of girls to boys is underscore. Solution. 12 girls to 9 boys. To simplify this ratio into fraction, let us divide it by the common denominator 3. 12 divided by 3 is equals to 4. 9 divided by 3 is equals to 3. 4 over 3 is the ratio of 12 is to 9. In a scale ratio, this can be written as 12 is to 9 is equals to 4 is to 3. A pet store has 8 cats, 12 dogs, and 3 rabbits. The ratio 8:23 compares. Solution. 8 added by 12 added by 3 is equals to 23. This can be compared to this ratio, 8 cats out of 23 animals. Ratio of 750 meters and 3 kilometers is underscore. Solution. 3 kilometers can be converted into meters in this manner. Conversion. 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meters. 3 kilometers multiplied by 1000 meters over 1 kilometer. Crashed out the unit kilometers and the meters unit will remain. It will now become 3000 meters. The ratio is now 750 meters is to 3000 meters. This can be divided both by 750. 750 divided by 750 is equals to 1. 3000 divided by 750 is equals to 4. 750 meters is to 3 kilometers is equals to 1:4. The ratio of two sides of a parallelogram is 4:3. If its perimeter is 56 centimeters, find the lengths of its sides. Solution. Let x is equals to unknown. Equation. The sum of 4x added by 3x multiplied by 2 is equals to 56 centimeters. Simplify. It will now become 14x is equals to 56 centimeters. Transposition. 56 divided by 14 is equals to 4. X is equals to 4. Distribute the value. The sum of 4 multiplied by 4, added by 3 multiplied by 4. The result is multiplied by 2, is equals to 56. Simplify. It will now become the sum of 16 multiplied by 2, added by 12 multiplied by 2, is equals to 56. The lengths of the sides of the parallelogram are 16 centimeters and 12 centimeters. Four consecutive integers have a mean of 9.5. What is the largest of these integers? Solution. Let x is equals to unknown. Equation. X added by x plus 1 added by x plus 2 added by x plus 3 divided by 4 is equals to 9.5. Simplify. It will now become 4x added by 6 divided by 4 is equals to 9.5. Cross multiply. It will now become 4x plus 6 is equals to 38. Transposition. It will now become 4x is equals to 38 subtracted by 6. 4x s equals to 32. We can now solve x by transposition. Dividing 32 by 4. The result is x is equals to 8. X added by 3 is equals to 11, which is the largest value. Distribute the value. 8 added by 9, added by 10, added by 11, divided by 4 is equals to 9.5. A baseball pitcher won 80% of the games he pitched. If he pitched 35 ball games, how many games did he win? Solution. Convert 80% into decimal by dividing it by 100%, crash out the percent sign, then go with the division process. The result is equals to 0.8. 0.8 multiplied by 35, the result is equals to 28. Jerry, an electrician, worked 9 months out of the year. What percent of the year did he work? Solution. Let x is equals to unknown. Equation. X multiplied by 12 is equals to 9. Transposition. X is equals to 9 divided by 12. The result is x is equals to 0.75. Convert into percent. X is equals to 0.75 multiplied by 100%. The result is x is equals to 75%. There are 40 students in a class. 16 of those students are boys. What percent of the class are girls? Solution. Let x is equals to boys. Y is equals to girls. Equation: x plus y is equals to 40. Distribute the value of x. 16 plus y is equals to 40. Transposition: y is equals to 40 subtracted by 16. The result is y is equals to 24. Checking: x plus y is equals to 40. Distribute the value of x and y. 16 plus 24 is equals to 40. Convert 24 into percent. 24 divided by 40 is equals to 0.6. 0.6 multiplied by 100%, the result is equals to 60%. Analic took a math test and got 48 correct and 12 incorrect answers. What was the percentage of correct answers? Solution: the sum of 48 added by 12 is equals to 60. Equation: 60 times x is equals to 48. Transposition: x is equals to 48 divided by 60. The result is x is equals to 0.8. Convert 0.8 into percent. 0.8 multiplied by 100% is equals to 80%. 120 is what percent of 48? Solution: equation: 48 times x is equals to 120. Transposition: x is equals to 120 divided by 48. The result is x is equals to 2.5. Convert 2.5 into percent. 2.5 multiplied by 100% is equals to 250%. 120% of what number is 72? Solution: equation: 120% times x is equals to 72. Transposition: x is equals to 72 divided by 120%. Convert 120% into decimal. 120% divided by 100%, crash out percent sign, then do the division process. The result is equals to 1.2. Solve for x. X is equals to 72 divided by 1.2. The result is x is equals to 60. 10% of 300 is what number? Solution: equation: x is equals to 10% times 300. Convert 10% into decimal. 10% divided by 100%, crash out the percent sign, then do the division process. The result is equals to 0.1. Solve for x. X is equal to 0.1 times 300. The result is x is equals to 30. 2.5% of what number is 88? Solution: equation: 2.5% times x is equals to 88. Simplify. 2.5% times x is equals to 88. Transposition: x is equals to 88 divided by 2.5%. Convert percent into decimal. 2.5% divided by 100%, crash out percent sign, then do the division process. The result is equals to 0.025. Solve for x. 88 divided by 0.025. X is equals to 3,520. 95% of people in my street have a car. There are 160 people in my street. How many do not have a car? Solution: 100% subtracted by 95% is equals to 5%. Equation: 5% multiplied by 160 is equals to x. Convert percent into decimal. 5% divided by 100%, crash out percent sign, then do the division process. The result is equals to 0.05. Solve for x. X is equals to 0.05 multiplied by 160. The result is x is equals to 8. If 300 students filled form for entrance test and 280 appeared in test out of which only 70% have passed test, then number of students who failed test are. Solution. 100% subtracted by 70% is equals to 30%. Equation. X is equals to 30% times 280. Convert percent into decimal. 30% divided by 100%, crash out percent sign, the result is equals to 0.3. Solve for x. X is equals to 0.3 multiplied by 280. The result is x is equals to 84.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, and click the notification bell, for you will be updated for our next upcoming video.